Good day and welcome to IT Partners. My name is Thomas Bedell. I'm the principal partner at the firm of IT Partners, Tampa, Florida. And today we're going to discuss the virtual office. First of all, I'd like to thank you for your interest in virtual office. You wouldn't be here today if you had not expressed some sort of interest in our product. And I'm very grateful that you have. This is the first of several videos that's going to explain exactly how virtual office works and what it can do for you. Before we begin, I need you to know that this series of videos is designed for the CEO or the business owner that's interested in increasing productivity or efficiency in their organization and with their teams. There are several videos that we will go through as it relates to virtual office. This one today is about what is virtual office and how does it work. The first thing I should let you know is virtual office was developed by my team on the Rackspace Cloud. The Rackspace Cloud is a data center owned by a company called Rackspace. They provide the hardware and the software needed to create platforms that can be used anywhere, anytime. Virtual Office is not a single application, but it's many open source applications that are designed to meet certain business critical needs. Some of those needs are, and I'll go through them step by step. The first one is content management systems. Content management systems are known to be used for managing content on the web. Simply put, they're website management systems. The three that we've chosen and that we use for our clients are Drupal, Joomla, and WordPress. Each one has excellent features and benefits, and the main focus behind using a content management system is that you no longer have to write your website content by hand using standard HTML. These content managers tend to take your data and allow you to format it for nearly any device. So whether it's a smartphone, a laptop, a PC, a tablet, it really doesn't matter. The reflexive technology built into these systems allows that data to be viewed so you don't have to rewrite your code over and over and over for those different audiences. The second grouping of applications that we use are contact relationship managers. And a relationship manager is basically the application that keeps track of your customers, their likes, their needs, your products, where they're located. It's everything that you need to keep track of your customers so that you have an understanding of their needs and wants, what they've ordered, what you think they'll order in the future, and so on. Contact relationship managers offer a bit of automation if done right. You can create lead flows, understand prospects, understand exactly what it is that your customers are looking at when they do get to your website. We use another application. It's an enterprise resource management piece of software. It's called OpenERP. And OpenERP takes care of many of the business functions that are done internally. Typically, your customers won't see this application. It's what your team would use to keep track of your clients, keep track of your inventory, your finances, accounting, human resources. OpenERP is an excellent foundation for running any business in the cloud. Another application that we use is called OwnCloud. If you've ever heard of Dropbox or Slingbox, I won't say Slingbox, but Dropbox, for example, allows you to place your documents online in the cloud and then sync and share those documents with your clients, your team members, and so on. The beauty of using OwnCloud is that it's under your control, and you dictate who sees the data, and you dictate how secure it is. The next function of our open office platform is the PBX. In our case, we use Asterisk and free PBX, and it offers an enterprise-grade phone system that you can use to communicate with your clients. Basically, you'll receive a phone number, whether it's in your local area code or an 800 number. We direct all of the calls to your PBX. At that point, an interactive voice response will pick up the phone, and you've heard it before. Press 1 for sales, 2 for support. You create the extensions, we create the system, and then we route the calls to the people that manage those phone calls. Once that system is in place, you've basically got the framework for communications with one number, and all of your team is working on the same number. No more using individual cell phones, no more using other phones. It's all based on extensions and a single number. It gives you a good corporate image, and your customers a single number to call. Another feature of Virtual Office is open meetings. Open meetings eliminate the need for travel and long gas expenses and so on. Now you can simply create an event, send your customer or your team members a link. They click on that link, they join the meeting, and now you can get down to business. You can share documents, share your desktop, see the person on the other end if they have a webcam, or you could just project your own image and conduct your own meetings. Open Meeting gives you the ability to really save a lot of time and collaborate. It allows your team to collaborate with your clients or yourself to get your message done. Now, to make Virtual Office work, we have a migration process. Basically, we do a survey. We find out how many employees you have, how many customers you might have, what data you might be using, how you would be formatting your content, and so on. It's through that survey process that we begin the process of what is known as branding. Branding is where we take your logo and we turn the Virtual Office from a generic platform to a customized platform to meet your needs. So you only use the modules that are necessary in your business. You may not need all of the modules, or you may need every module. And that's the beauty of Virtual Office, is as your business grows, we can scale that business without the need for adding new hardware or software. We simply scale it up or scale it down through the Rackspace cloud, increasing resources as necessary. We also offer 100% support for Virtual Office. You don't need an IT department. It's through our ticket system that you can get troubles resolved should they arise. Our ticket system gives you the ability to create an incident and then have one of our members, one of our partners, help in solving that problem for you. So there is no need for any special hardware, there's no need for any special software, and you certainly don't need an IT department to use Virtual Office. I really appreciate your interest in our product. I am proud of this product, and I would really look forward to serving you and your business in solving many of your technical needs. My name is Thomas Bedell. For IT Partners, I thank you for your time. Look forward to our videos that explain each of the modules in greater detail to help you understand how it works. Thanks again. Have a great day.